Hey there Candy Crush lover, it's time. Maybe you are done with the endless levels, maybe you rage quit on level 532, or maybe you are just detoxing from the candy life. Today in this video, I'll show you how to delete your Candy Crush Saga account. Without any delay, let's start the video. Deleting the app does not delete your data. If you want your progress booster and gold bar gone, this is for you. Once you delete your account, there's no going back.
First thing first, open your Candy Crush on your mobile device.
Head to the main screen. Once you are in the main screen, look at the top right corner. You'll see a gear icon. Tap it. Once you are in the setting, tap on this icon. Once you get inside, you'll see the details on how to delete it. Scroll down to the last and you'll see an option to delete your account. Tap on that delete your account option. If necessary, confirm it. After that, your account will be forever gone. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can delete Candy Crush Saga account. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.